Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and signing into Zotero on the iPad. That gives you access to your library. Once signed in, make sure sync is enabled, iCloud or Zotero Sync, so changes propagate across devices. Next, open or create a collection and tap the plus button to add an item. This first actionable step places a container for organization. It's quick and prevents mess later. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, so attachments upload smoothly before moving on. Now you'll capture content. Use the iPad share sheet to send web pages and PDFs into Zotero. This preserves metadata automatically. If metadata is missing, scan an ISBN or paste a DOI. You can also add files or take snapshots. Once items are in place, tag them, write quick notes, and move items into subcollections to reflect your project structure. These steps create discoverable, reusable references, so when you search later, you'll find exactly what you need without redoing work. Finish by citing and ensuring everything syncs. Use copy citation or export to paste formatted references into Pages or Word, choosing your citation style. After big edits, tap Sync to push changes. If sync stalls, check account settings and storage limits. If you encounter problems, restart the app, reauthorize your account, or export a library backup in RIS or JSON. That backup protects your work while you fix issues. If attachments are missing, reupload the file after confirming network access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.